I have an iPhone 6s, which I need to place the screen and has a dented housing on it. So first what I do is screw everything off, unscrew everything, and use a prying tool to pry open the screen on it, which is quite simple to do. Unscrew the 4 screws that's holding the plate, which is holding the LCD flex and the other flexes, and then using a prying tool, a plastic prying tool, I take off the screen, and then I unscrew the other screws, like the 3 on the bottom and the other screws that's holding the inside plate of the LCD. And then unscrewing the screws holding the camera flex, proximity sensor, and the microphone. And there's one screw on the side. It's quite easy to move these screws, and be careful to put them on the exact place where they're supposed to be, and to put them back where they're supposed to be. Otherwise you're going to break the stuff on it. If the screw is too long, it's going to make a hole on the screen itself. Like, it's going to make a circular discolor, like a dot or something on it. So after that is done, I will be moving the home button, and then the earpiece, the microphone, and the camera. Well, I have to use a heat gun to soften the glue. Then using a tweezer, the holder that's holding the camera, keeps the camera in place. And then I will remove the microphone flex that has all those proximity sensors and the front facing camera and the earpiece. Then what I do is I use a double-sided tape to glue the flex that's coming off the screen, which is for the home button. Which is quite easy. Sometimes I just test the screen, but 90% or 95% of the times I don't need to take the screen, so it's good most of the time. Putting them back is easy. Just put the screws back in the place where they were supposed to be. Once the is in place, I will remove the tape that's gonna hold the microphone, and I'll put the camera clip back. There is a little pin, and it's where I place the microphone. Microphone flex has a little hole in it where it's supposed to go in. Then while putting the earpiece, there are 2 little holes, and that's where it's supposed to be in. And if you don't put it in place in those holes, it's not going to work. The earpiece is not going to work. So after putting the plate in, I always do a test if the pins are out or not, like just feeling it if it's out. Now what I'm doing now is removing the battery connectors, and I'm gonna pull the dented bit out because I can't put the screen back in with the dents on it. So I'll just pull it back and see if it's straight or not. If it's not straight, I will have to pull it back again. It seems like it's okay. So now we'll be putting the LCD flakes and the earpiece flakes, everything together. To do this, it's just a feeling. You just need to feel where it's going and just press it when it's on the exact position. It's gonna take a while. It's gonna take a lot of practice to do that, because I have had people bringing their phones with the broken flex on it. So yeah, done for some shops as well. Normally it's the touch connector that's broken. So once everything is back, it's time to put the screen in position. So first put the top bit in, push it in, and then push the other bit inside. Sometimes it doesn't go in very well, so I use a prying tool to wedge it and push it down so it goes in properly, and it goes in pretty well. So once I'm satisfied with it, I just screw the bottom screws. They are like star-shaped screws. Since iPhone 4S, they had these screws, this type of screws go in there. I don't have the password, so I will just be doing the emergency calls and typing in the numbers if they are working fine or not. It seems okay. After checking everything, I'll just call the customers to come and pick it up. Thank you for watching these videos. I will keep updating them. Stay tuned to watch some more of these videos. Thank you.